Happy Ramadan, everyone! We got so many messages and so many comments on the video where we went to the train station and handed out 100 packets of food.
And today,
guess what? Today we're back! We've got so many food packets today. I don't know if it'll be enough, but let's see. I hope so. Today we had an amazing team. Amina and Jay, and that's Lucas, all the way from Brazil. And then brother Abdul Aziz, an absolute legend. Honestly, today would not have happened without him. He owns an Indian restaurant here in Taiwan and helped us prepare all the food. He was telling us today that sometimes he even does this with his kids to teach them the rewards of giving. How amazing is that? May Allah reward him and his family, inshallah. So we estimated we have around 300 meals today. There was so many boxes, the car was literally overflowing. Just like last time, we added stickers to every container, each one with Surah Ikhlas and a message that said, "From your Muslim family." I just love this. But then we hit a problem. Dun dun dun! Some of the stickers just weren't peeling off the paper.
we had to DIY duct tape and make it like a double-sided tape so we can stick it on the packages to give to the people. It's actually worked out better because now they can keep it.
That's true. That's a good idea. We didn't want the food getting cold, so we packed up quickly and it was time to head off to the train station. Let's go. It's about a 10-minute drive away. The smell is so good.
I'm so hungry. Look how many there is.
As soon as we arrived, the chaos began immediately. Last time, there were some people that were in wheelchairs and couldn't walk and they missed out. So what we want to do today is firstly go to the people that are sitting down and can't get the food first, and then we'll make the line and then we'll go from there. So let's go. Look, they've started already. They know we're coming. They've already started lining up. They were literally running. Even though this happened last time, it's still such a shock to see people in so much need. We instructed everyone to line up as we wanted to give out food to the people who couldn't walk first, and they were so understanding and very polite.
At the end of the day, you have to think of like who might need it the most.
Oh yeah, there you go. Look under the shelters there.
Yeah. See, this is who we needed to bring it to.
Now it's time to head back. Wow, look how many people there is. It's even longer than last time. I'm kind of afraid we still might not have enough today. We made as much as we could, so let's hope. And it begins.
Allah.
Allah. Good job. There's so many people. Hope we have enough for everyone.
Yeah. As you guys know, I'm not posting this for any kind of donation. In fact, today was actually Amina's idea. She's the one who really played a key role. So thanks to her and a few of my kind-hearted followers insisting, we were able to make this possible. Honestly, another side of Amina came out today and I'm just absolutely amazed. I'm so proud of her. And to be honest, this made me realize this is exactly what Ramadan is all about. It's about trying your best, having pure intentions, helping those in need, whether they're Muslim or not. It doesn't matter what your culture is, your skin color, your language, your beliefs, whether you're Muslim, Christian, Jewish, Buddhist, or even no religion at all. We're all from the same creator. And that's the true beauty of Islam. Even Prophet Muhammad taught to love everyone, no matter what they believe. He helped the poor, the sick, the traveler, the orphan, regardless of their faith. He said, "Have mercy on those on earth, and God will have mercy on you." So we must follow in his footsteps too, and showcase the beauty of Islam through our actions. Let's show the world what Islam really is. Let's change the stereotype. Let's rewrite the narrative. Even though today was such a small act, just handing out meals, it's a step in the right direction. There is literally 2 billion Muslims in the world. If everyone could influence just one person each, can you imagine the impact this could have? Still not enough.
Yeah. From how many that we make, there's still so many people that need some.
To everyone watching this video, what are you going to do today to make a positive impact?